How to speed up slow internet in Android mobile by changing the DNS server. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can speed up slow internet in Android mobile by changing DNS server. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. In order to speed up the slow internet on your Android mobile by changing the DNS server, you can use the faster and more reliable DNS server like Google DNS, OpenDNS, or Cloudflare DNS to improve your browsing speed and connection stability. So, here is how you can do it. For that, you have to set up the private DNS on Android. So, open up Settings and then tap on Network and Internet. Here you will find Private DNS, tap on it and then choose the second or third option, that is Private DNS Provider Host Name. And here you have to enter the specific DNS provider. Now some of the popular and reliable providers are Cloudflare, Google DNS, or Quad9. So if you want to use the Cloudflare DNS, you have to type in 1.1.1.1 and then Cloudflare, then hyphen, then DNS.com, and you have to save this DNS. Or if you want to use the Google DNS, all you have to type is dns.google and then save your settings. Or for the Quad9, what you have to type is dns.quad9.net and then you have to save your settings. Now once you have saved the settings and you have turned on the private DNS, now to test your connection, you can open up a browser or any internet dependent application to test if the internet is working correctly with the new DNS settings. And you should be now using the private DNS, which encrypts DNS queries for more privacy and security. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.